Welcome to Kaiden'sTV. Can you make a waterproof paper boat? Well, you just need a piece of paper and a crayons. So let's watch this. Choose any color you want and don't leave any space or part of the paper without color, because the crayons will make the paper waterproof. Now let's make a paper boat. Now we're done with the paper boat. Now let's compare it with an ordinary boat. This is the ordinary boat, no crayons on it. And this one is with crayons. Now let's put this boat in the water. And here it is. The white boat started to get wet. This is how it looks from the bottom of the water. Now let's leave this boat in a few hours. Oh no, the white boat is already wet, but it doesn't sink. What if we're going to put some coins to both of them? Oh no, the white boat sinks. because it's not waterproof. Come on, let's check the white boat at the bottom of the water.